Well, this is the engine on the truck. Took me about probably an hour and a half to get this far torn out, get the radiator fan off, or cooling fan, excuse me, and gonna pull the coolant hose out, drain all the rest of the coolant out. The original plan was try to figure out what on earth was leaking, as there was a little puddle of coolant every morning, and when you parked it, get the light here, and turns out that there's a hose down up underneath the motor there. For some reason, that's a bypass hose, they say, and that's almost always your cause of the leak. But while I was in here, in grand tradition, they always say, well, once you're there, you might as well work on a lot of other things. And water pump is one of the things they say you should replace. And here, listen to this. I'd say that probably is part of our problem with the noisy front end. And that is kind of real wibble wobble on there too. So I wouldn't be surprised if that actually was leaking too. So now we know why.